Okay, tubes. I need another master cylinder, so I got a Delco one with the Delco casting on it. So this is the same as what came on my 70 Z28 with the bleeders here. So I got a bleeding kit from Napa. It was supposed to come with the kit, but there wasn't one in the box, so they gave me a kit with different fittings. There's the part number for it. This is for a non-metric. The other kit is a metric. You don't want metric. So just tighten these down by hand and then give it a little snug with a wrench. This comes in one piece. I cut it right in half. I wish it was clear tube, but I'll be able to see the bubbles. So the tubes are right at the bottom, and I'm just going to fill up the reservoir halfway up with the brand new brake fluid. I measured the travel for the piston here. On mine it's 1.5 inches total. So on my old one, so I'm just going in 1 inch. If you go too far in, then you could damage the seal if this has been sitting on the shelf for years. But and I went all the last master cylinder I used. I went all the way to the end and back, and I got a leak a couple of weeks ago that started, and then it stopped for some reason. So after I found out I could get the Delco casting like the original one, it's okay. I took it in for a core. I got $39 for it, I think. So what you want to do is get a Phillips long screwdriver, and you're going to push in slowly up until my mark here I made to the arrow. From that mark there with a magic marker. That's 1 inch. So I'm going in 1 inch slowly. And wear safety glasses too. Last time I bled one of these, the large reservoir took about, oh God, probably a half an hour to bleed out all the air. I almost took it back. So I got bubbles. We got bubbles that you can probably see there. Yeah, I see that in the camera. So slowly go in, slowly come out. And then once this is back on the car and the line's hooked up, the first 2 bleed screws that you bleed out are these on the master cylinder. And then you just start off with the farthest wheel away. If you didn't have these bleeders, then you'd have to crack your lines open on the car, which would make a little bit of mess. So that's basically what you're going to do. I'm going to let you go right now. I don't think you want to watch me do that too long. So I'm just going to fill up the reservoir because the inside is getting filled up. So, but keep your hoses under the brake fluid, otherwise you're going to be sucking air. Last time I did this in a vise and I painted this master cylinder. I didn't want to scratch it all up the crap. So anyhow, that's it for now.